So it was the time change, and it's kind of like exciting for me because I get to take this tarp off the pond. This was for the winter time to keep it warm inside. I have a heater inside the big part and then a small one in here, but it kept the fish alive. There was some type of disease that they were getting. I think it was from the giant tilapia I put in. I thought I was gonna lose the huge pacu, but he ended up making it. So I'm gonna take this off and I'm gonna see how they're doing, and hopefully I can keep this off for the rest of the summer. I had one of these heaters underneath the tarp. I definitely do not recommend doing that, but I don't know of a heater that will cover the whole pond to keep it warm enough. And I had it wrapped around so it won't fall in. And for this one, I just had one of those. And then I hooked it up where this pond and this pond were on one pump, and then that pond was on one pump, so I could drain the water level in this one. So it wouldn't take much to heat it. And I just kept this one full, and then I lowered this side so that could stay heated for them. There's the arowana, he's getting big. So I'm already draining the water out on this one to do a little bit of water change so it's dirty. Right there's the huge tilapia I put in there that might have got the other fish sick. All the viejas cichlids and all the Midas cichlids except for one passed. I don't know what that disease was. Right there's the big pacu. He has a little bit of scarring on the side yet. I'll probably put another thing of treatment in because this is going to overflow into this one, to this one now. So all these fish will be having the same water, and I don't want them all getting sick. But I'm not physically seeing the signs on the fish. So when this water gets down a little bit more, I'm going to start filling it all the way up. Then hopefully the elephant ears will grow back like the side, because I had that overflow off. This is the stuff I use to treat the fish. I definitely recommend it. Dimilin X treats up to 200,000 gallons. And it treats all this stuff: fish lice, anchorworms, gill maggots, other stuff like that, other parasites. It definitely worked on fish lice when the gar had some fish lice. When the bass had fish lice, it got rid of it. It's like $60, but it's definitely worth it. But I'm gonna add some of that in now, and then I'm gonna start filling it back up. Look how big this bichir got. Look at that bad boy. Wow. Arowana. Could be a red tail hybrid back there, whisker. A clown knife. Clown knife usually hides behind this one. Nope. They must be in this. Dang, that pacu got huge. Too much reflection. The water level is almost there, and the water is mucky. That's the next day. As you can see, everything looks good. Just wanted to give an update on the pond. Hopefully we can start catching some fish for it soon. And also, Diver has started a YouTube channel for gaming. If you guys would like to subscribe to his channel, I'll have it down in the description. Show him some love. And I'll see you guys next time.
It's the circle of life. As a man you provide. They don't know what you're worth till the